Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Welcome back, everyone. A pretty difficult time to call this Sunday a pretty day outside. As we take a live look at our SPID camera right there, you can see all that dust that's off in the distance. It is really hazy out there, in addition to the cloud coverage that we have and in addition to the wind as well. It's just not a great day to be outdoors, but hey, it's still a little bit warm, not bad at all, as temperatures are holding off to the lower 90s. As we look at our Aztec Chevrolet 6 weather bug over in Beeville, you can see this is a live shot, and you can see all the cloud coverage right there, and the temperatures in the lower 90s with southeasterly winds at 21 miles an hour. Even as we look at our CCRV 6 weather bug over on I-37 in Suntide, as you look off to the distance, you can still see some of that haze right there going off, and this is going to continue to be with us as we go into Monday and Tuesday as well, unfortunately. So you didn't need me to tell you that it was a pretty windy day. We topped out at 31 miles an hour here in Corpus Christi, but as high as 41 miles an hour over in Beeville. That's over tropical storm force winds out there with 20 to 30 miles an hour near the coastline as well, with the current gusts of 30 miles an hour reporting out at Corpus Christi International. So as we look at the future tracker, they will calm down a little bit tonight, but still tomorrow afternoon it's going to be another pretty windy day. Southeasterly winds sustained pretty close to 15 to 25 miles an hour and gusting once again closer to 35. They do calm down as we go into early Tuesday morning. Not quite as much wind as we go into Tuesday afternoon, but still very breezy in its own right, and that's going to continue for most of the week. Sahara dust, this is for today. Anywhere you see that blue or those green colors, that's where we have the thickest haze, or that's Saharan dust, I should say. So that's today. Going into tomorrow, it does start to go away a little bit, but they're still going to be in our skies even as we go off into Tuesday. It's not going to be until Wednesday that we start to see a little bit of the break and some of that Saharan dust, but there's still plenty more out here in the Atlantic, over the Caribbean as well, so we are certainly not done with all these hazy conditions. Inland areas are starting to see a little bit of some shower formation out near Tilden, out near Freer as well, in Duval County, just north of Hebbronville, out near Falfurrias as well. But overall, not a huge deal for us here. All the big rains are in central Texas, North Texas as well, and off into the western half of our viewing area near Laredo. Unfortunately, we're going to kind of miss on most of this activity as these frontal boundaries continue to move up to the north. And much of the southeast has been pretty wet for us here, associated with this little weak stationary frontal boundary, high pressure up to the northeast. And we have this area of low pressure. This is going to be a very slow mover over the next couple of days. And with high pressure off in the Gulf, again, we have a pretty compact type of scenario here. So that's why the winds are going to stay elevated as this pushes up to the northeast. And as it does so, it's going to grab all that moisture and move it away. Look at temperatures in the Dakotas, 103 in Bismarck, and we're only holding on to 91 degrees at this point. So as we look at temperatures, everyone into the 90s with the exception of Mathis reporting into the upper 80s, but everyone's feeling those heat indices over the triple digits. Evening forecast takes us into the lower 80s for tonight with lightened winds as well. For tomorrow, I should say tonight, going into tomorrow, notice that the rainfall goes away, but as we go into tomorrow afternoon, we're going to start to see the sunshine break through. Our NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 95 tomorrow, 96 on Tuesday, hazy, pretty breezy to windy as well, and that repeats itself, hot and humid for most of the upcoming work week with highs right around seasonal average.